remember last year, like around April 24th, the Portuguese president, he was talking about, that Portugal really owes more than just an apology for their responsibility in the slave trade, and was talking about reparations. Do you think this will ever happen here?
I would say is one of the steps, actually. They're one of the steps that a lot of former colonizers and a lot of slave traders, countries where there is participating, is one of the steps. It's one of the steps because it's easy not to acknowledge and remain silent for the pain that you don't suffer. It's really easy. And it's easy to say forget without acknowledging what you, not as an individual, but like as a society or as an entity, because we're talking about people who were part of companies or were part of the royal family or the government and individuals who participate in the trade. So it's the responsibility is general, not individual, but it's general. So when you are responsible for a country like Portugal, and a country which role during slavery was really important. So if you are taking this responsibility is just the first step. Yes, apologizing for what happened. At the same time, apologizing means also implementing a different system that actually allow people, as we said earlier, to learn from the past and then avoid this in the future. And avoid this in the future, go through the education. Through the education that some people will understand that, okay, this is exactly what happened. So we as human beings, we need to see each other differently, and differently means also coming together, and coming together means creating situation in the country that allow everyone to feel comfortable, everyone to feel safe, and no matter where you are, no matter where you come from, your color, your education, your background, no matter all of this, you feel comfortable in this country. So it's a process that needs to be understood by the different institutions. And if the president, Mr. Marcelo, talked about this last year in April, that Portugal should apologize, I think this will be done. It's not done because this apology have never been done. So hopefully, and then as I say, it's not just by saying, but it's also taking action. So that's important. And you talk about reparation. I know it's a very sensitive topic, and many European countries are always avoiding. First, you have to apologize, and then because for them, the apologizing means also acknowledgement and recognizing your role, and then from the recognition, people are going to request for okay, now in that case you need to pay reparation. I know it's a long process, but we go step by step. It's something that can take time. It can also be speed up, but go step by step, and then trying to create I'll say create this mentality, the environment for people to understand the reason why we have this step to be done, and then see what together we can do for the future.
So, even though you a champion, yeah, let me see your hands up. Don't let nobody bring